Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again with our Kospet Tank X1. One of the most beautiful fitness tracker this 2023. It is one of the few rugged outdoor fitness tracker in the market. And we are curious whether this thing works. One of its features, the music control function. So we'll check this. We'll connect it with a YouTube video player, a YouTube app, as well as the YouTube Music and Spotify. And at the same time, the music player in our smartphone. So we are going to check this feature if it works. Okay, whether we can control the music on our smartphone with this functionality. So if you have any questions regarding this feature, okay, and the Tank X1, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we are already paired with the support app. Again, it is using the Kospet Fit application, okay, a homegrown or developed personally by Kospet for its wearable, the Kospet Fit. So here on the watch, let's see if we do have the settings for the music player function. Okay, if not, we'll directly go to the smartwatch or to the smartband and use the music player or the remote music function. Okay, seems like everything is okay. So we have here a new update. We'll update it later. Then let's go here on our Bluetooth section and let's see the connectivity. Okay, although I don't see it here, maybe this one. This is the Bluetooth for the X1, I don't know, although it says it's P73, or we don't have to set anything, I think. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's open a music player here. Music, where's that? Okay, let's see. My music. Okay, so let's play. Okay, let's tap on this one. Inspire. Oh, again, it's just an ad. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see here, we are connected. Okay, let's adjust the volume. Okay, we have the title of the music here. Can we adjust the volume here? Stop. Go to the next one. Stop. Go to the next one. Okay. Go back. Go back. And it works. Okay, so the music player or the remote music function works with a music player on our smartphone. Okay, so next, how about this one, the YouTube Music? Let's see. Okay, will it switch? So far the smartband says that it is playing the Inspire here. It's on a pause. Let's see if it will switch. Okay. Okay, stop. And as you can see here, it switched to the Uptown Funk music. You see it here? So it works. Next. Stop. Next. Stop. Next. Stop. Okay, so far it works for the YouTube Music application or the YouTube Music Player or Music app. Okay, so we can go forward, adjust the volume, go backward, and pause. Next, Spotify. Okay, hopefully it works. Right now it's still connected to our YouTube Music app. Let's see with this one. Okay, play. Will it work? Okay, I guess we have to, again, let's pick a different music. Stop. Okay, so it works as you can see here. Next. Stop. Next. In my room. Play. It's a bit slow but it works. Stop. Okay, so it is a bit slow here, but so far it works. Okay, still got it. Next, can't go back, baby. Stop. Okay, go back. Okay, stop. Go back. Again. Stop. Okay, so it works for the Spotify application. It is a bit slow, but so far it works. Maybe if you have a new smartphone, okay, a better smartphone and good internet connectivity, maybe there's no lag at all. Okay, but so far it works with Spotify and the YouTube Music application. Okay, how about the YouTube here? Let's see. Okay, upgrade. Nope. Okay, how about this one? I'll select. Confirm. Will it switch?
They
yes.
attacked by air,
Stop.
land, and sea, taking Israel by surprise.
As you can see here, it automatically switched to the YouTube application. And we have the title here, as you can see. Next. Let's see. Okay, next. Forward.
An unprecedented evacuation
Next.
unfolding in Gaza.
Okay. Nice. So the remote music control here not works with the music player on your smartphone as well as the YouTube Music app and Spotify as well as the YouTube application. Okay, so far no connection or no settings that you need to update or change. It once your smart band or your fitness tracker is connected to the Kospet Fit, okay, you can already control the music on your smartphone. Okay, so for those of you who are asking whether the music player on the X1 works, okay, so as you can see, we have a demo and it works okay. It works, so far it works flawlessly. Okay, no issues at all, except for the slow, okay, slow navigation and selection on the Spotify application. But so far, it works. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye!